Hey guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have an exciting unboxing from one of my favorite companies to work with, which is FAB FIT FUN. I always say this in my videos, but working with them is so crazy because I remember being younger and watching all these really big influencers work with them, and I'm like, oh, that's so cool, I want to do that. And now here I am making a FAB FIT FUN unboxing video. It's just so crazy. As always, I have a code that you can use to save you some money on your box, which is always great. It's laurenluto. It's my username on like every social platform I have. So you can use code laurenluto, save yourself some money. I believe with the code, your first box is $47.99. And when I tell you guys what the actual prices are of the individual products, you will realize how insane of a deal this is. Like I don't think I really realized how good of a deal it was until I looked up each product today, and I'm like, whoa. We are going to do an unboxing of the summer box. This is what it looks like. It says, being poolside brings me joy, which this also brings me so much joy. I love being at the pool. I picked out some really fun things. Here's the inside. It's cute, it shows all the brands that I believe they're working with. And then inside is all the fun products. So let's just get right into unboxing it. So I got so many cute products in this box, which I'm so excited, and I'm moving to a new apartment. I don't know where yet, but I'm excited to use some of these products at my new place. So let's jump right into it. So starting off with the, you guys, I don't know how to say any of these brand names. The Malin plus Goats. You read it and you let me know what this means. This is a rum hand and body wash, and I think the packaging is just like really cute and aesthetic, so I'm really excited to have this in my bathroom as my hand wash soap. I love a good aesthetic. That's like my favorite thing ever. So when I move into my new place, I can just put this out and be like washing my hands, feeling so cute. Certain products really do make you feel that way, where I'm like, I'm using this product and I feel so put together and cute. I actually have not smelled this yet. That's really good. It has a little bit of a fruity smell. Oh, that smells so good though. I'm really excited to put this on my bathroom sink or even my kitchen one. I don't know. I'll have to decide whenever I move. I'm also going to tell you guys the retail price for all of these items, because at the end you will see you are getting a bang for your buck with this box. It's actually insane. This soap itself is $26. Okay, so next is a product from Way. This is one of my favorite hair care brands. I use their detox shampoo and it is absolutely incredible. In my FabFitFun box, they sent me the treatment mask for fine to medium hair. First off, the aesthetic of their packaging is so cute. I feel like it's just like very sleek, very minimal, and it just looks cute in your shower. I'm the same way with my shower as I am with anything else, where I want it to look put together and aesthetic. It has similar colors, so this will match perfectly with my Way Detox shampoo that I already have. So this product right here retails for $38. So already with these two products, that is over the amount that you're gonna pay for the entire box, which is just insane. I've already used this product. As you can see, it's already out of the box. This is the De-Stress and Sleep Well Roll-On Duo, and I have been having trouble sleeping recently, so I don't know why I haven't used this. I think I just forgot that I just got it. So it has the Sleep Well Roll-On. So the roll-on means it's like this, and then you just apply it, I think, to your temples, your wrists, and then like under your chin. I think you can just like apply it where you feel like it. This one is for de-stress relaxation. I am putting this on right now because Lord knows I need this right now. I thought it'd have more of like a lavender scent, but it kind of has like a citrusy scent, but hopefully this helps me de-stress and relax a little bit. I'm gonna be needing a lot of this right now, so I'm really excited about these two products. I feel like I'm in my wellness girl era, and I'm doing things that just make me feel good and that are good for my body. And like, it's little things like this that are little forms of self-care that you do throughout the day that like truly make such a difference. So these two products together cost $45. So next item I picked was this Milk mascara. I've never tried this brand. I feel like I've heard good things about it. I think my friend used to use their mascara and she had crazy good lashes, so I'm very excited about this. Should have used this mascara for the video. I don't know why I did not. Ooh, whoa, I was not expecting it to be like, it's like a rubber material. Like it does not feel like plastic. Is this a cover or is this, no, it's just the mascara. Oh, okay, well that's fun. Very cute. So this is what it looks like. I'm so mad I didn't use this when I did my makeup today. And then you open it up. Oh, I love the first time. It's the best when you first take it out. I wonder if it makes that noise every time or if that was just like a first time thing. It was a first time thing. You saw it here. I forget when you open a new mascara how much product is on it, but oh, I don't know who I'm showing this to. So this is what the wand looks like. It looks like a really thick, nice wand. I gotta be careful with how I'm explaining this. So this mascara costs $28. I'll read a little description since I'm not giving you like a tutorial or showing how it actually looks. Curved lash. Lift brush fits natural curve of lashes to lift from the root, which we love. Wavy bristles coat every lash for gravity, defying lift and volume. I love lift and I love volume, so I'm very excited to try this. Alrighty, so next, this select was kind of random for me, but I felt like I needed one. So this is a meat thermometer. This is from Grill Girl. Oh, that's kind of cute. It includes the thermometer, batteries. Oh, so that's very nice. It includes the batteries because it's so annoying when you get a product and it needs batteries and it doesn't have the batteries and you're just like, ugh. Now I have to run back out to the store and get more batteries. This is not a vibe. It's a very cute like teal blue color. This is great for girls with anxiety like me. Whenever I'm making chicken or something, I will burn that chicken because I'm so scared that I'm gonna eat it raw and get really sick and throw up. So this is very helpful. Now I can check the temperature and it'll have a little bit more flavor and like juiciness to it instead of being like dry and overcooked. It has an LED display. So then this right here just pops out. You put it in the meat that you're cooking and then the temperature will show up on here. So I'm very excited about this new tool and I can add it to my new kitchen. I'm excited about this last product because I've been wanting to try this for a while. Oh, I can't speak English today and it's driving me crazy. I've been wanting to try this product for a while. These are the Bala Bangles, I believe is what they are called. This is a ½ pound, so this is nice if you're just doing Pilates or you're doing yoga and you want to add like a little bit of an extra challenge. You can either wear these on your wrists, you can wear them on your ankles, and I love these because they're so aesthetic and cute. We love a good aesthetic, and they're just like cuter than your typical weights. It just opens up. You wrap it around your wrist and then you just Velcro it back up. The Velcro is like very sticky and strong, so it shouldn't fall off. And then you just wear them, add a little extra weight. Now these, I believe this comes with a membership, like of workout classes. I'm not really sure. When I was on the FabFitFun website, it did state that. If I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, correct me. But with these and the membership, the cost of that is $70.98. I also love that it has a little pouch that it comes in so you can easily store them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you never miss anything I post by hitting the bell button down below. It sends you a notification every time that I post a video. Comment down below what your favorite item in my box was, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!